So I have two questions. Who is this Bob Armstrong, and where can I meet him? This has been overly generous, to be sure. I'll just tell one little anecdote from my experience at MIT. And I want you to know that when I came to MIT in 1973, Kendall Square did not look like this. The best place to eat around here was the F&T Diner. And if those of you who've had stomach upset from the F&T Diner will know how bad that was. So I came to MIT from the University of Wisconsin. That was mentioned earlier this morning. That's where I got my PhD. University of Wisconsin, for those of you who have not been there, is located on nice rolling hills on the south shore of Lake Mendota, what you would imagine from a university campus. I moved to MIT, where we're crammed together in the Kendall Square area in Cambridge. My reaction early on was, what a crummy campus. It's just awful. But within 2 years, asked me what I thought of the campus, and I'd say, this is the greatest campus you could have for a university like this. And it's great because we're crammed together in not very much space, and we bump into each other all the time. So in Chemie, for example, from Building 66, if I walk out of the west side of the building, I'm in the chemistry department, or I keep going in biological engineering, materials science. If I go out of the north side of the building, I'm in the biology department. So you rub shoulders day in and day out with some of the greatest minds on the planet in every field. And I think what you've heard today about the Energy Initiative reflects that environment. You can't pull this off by yourself. You can't pull this off with people in one building, in one discipline. It only works if you follow Susan's vision of bringing the whole campus together. And it helps if you're not too far apart to begin with. And you have this constant interaction. It has been just a wonderful treat and a pleasure to spend a career at MIT and to have that chance to rub shoulders with some of the really great minds. I remember, for example, when I was department head in chemical engineering, we were making our shift towards life sciences and biology. We got the biology department to offer a short course for Chemie faculty 2 years in a row in the summer. Where can you get the chance as a faculty member in a chemical engineering department to spend a week with 4 Nobel Prize winners in biology teaching you about modern molecular biology? I just don't think you could do that anywhere else. So the comparison now, I think, is the difference between a place where you can work with your colleagues day in and day out, as opposed to the idyllic University of Wisconsin, where I would have to walk 2 or 3 blocks in a snowstorm at minus 25 degrees Fahrenheit. Just laughing, but it's the truth, right? To get to the chemistry department, right? So what a great place. And it's great because of the people here. So I thank you all for making this a real joy over the years. So thank you all, and thank you for this wonderful day.
I don't want to weaken that by saying one more word, so I'll only say the Prue. Thank you, everyone.